haven't gone there, more of a coastal view. Also the entrance into Waipio, we have one way in, one way out. Must have for driving or
¿Sí sabes qué canción es, no? No. La de Started from the Bottom, Now We Here. La de este, ¿cómo se llama? Drake.
Ah, nomás que lo cambié de border.
Sí, él empezó Started from the Border now.
Steepest road in the state of Hawaii. Today we'll be showing you guys private lookouts, not even the locals that have been here for 50, 60 years. Don't even get a chance to visit and come on our tour.
No, vamos a ver el cielo ahí enfrente.
Ahí en
This property is actually owned and governed by
Y los de la moto, se fueron en la moto.
Ah, sí, van los ahí. Bueno, pues quedan 3, 2, 5.
No investors, no condo builders, no millionaire can actually buy and build on these cities.
4x4. Prendió el 4x4.
Protect the native forest.
Parking, se paró mucha gente.
Keep it and not be built on.
That's the whole, corridor now. The hotel is going to take it over. They're demolishing it. It's going to be a historic site.
Right here, guys, some of our native trees. Sandalwood. Got a coconut tree right here. You guys see the coconut leaves like this thing right here. And make jewelry out of those. Using it as medicine. Oil as a candlelight. How many of you are planning on swimming?
No, Range Rover, no país aquí nada.
First-time riders? Nope. 1, 2. You guys rode ATVs before in the back?
Yeah, this is our third time.
Makes my job easier.
Alright.
I totally forgot though.
Nos llevó hasta el fin del mundo este cuate. Nos llevó hasta el fin del mundo.
If you had extra good luck, you can get somebody else's wish.
Itahipi itate uluma emahe aina iamai anakabuana aoheva iahe aina iamai anakabuana aoheva iahe